Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can go ahead and integrate Modalyst with Shopify so that you can create a dropshipping store on your Shopify store and integrate those two services together. So let's get right into it. Now, there is an integration readily available on Shopify. I won't be explaining to you guys how you can use Modalyst. I'm going to be going under the assumption that you already know how to. I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can integrate the two together. And yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to go into the search bar at the top here. Now you can select apps, you don't need to, but pretty much all you have to do is search for Modalyst. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. And now, as you can see, we have Modalyst dropshipping over here. As you can see, there is a free plan available, so you can just click on it, and we're going to need to install this app into our store. Now, you will need a Modalyst account for this, so just set one up before you start this, just to make your life easier. You don't need to do it. You can do it afterwards once you install the app. However, I prefer to do it before. Now, I don't have an account because I'm not going to show you guys how to use it, but pretty much all it takes is just installing this integration right over here. Once we click install, as you can see, you can create an account over here or you can log in. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign up with this account. I'm just going to click on this, enter a password, and I'm just going to do that. Click sign up, and now this should create our account. It's connecting the store, and now that the store is created, as you can see, it takes us directly to Modalyst. Now, because it should be installed in our Shopify store, let me just go ahead and search for it again, just to make sure that everything works. As you can see, you have Modalyst over here, and it should be installed. So let's yeah, it just takes you directly to Modalyst. Pretty much now the two are connected. Any changes you make on Modalyst will appear on Shopify, at least as far as I'm aware. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.